Not real good at this. I'm trying. Um, who's gonna go? 11 o'clock. That what? Um, we've had some good trades. You can see the green lines. Am I on? Yeah, I'm on. We can see the green lines. And I've got some other targets. That guy here, one, two, three. I'm in for two, or one, two. I'm in for two contracts. I'm not too deep. Uh, everything else is canceling. Um, this is the way people work. So, sure, I got it from Bob. Sure, I should have got it from this line. This line right here. We'll turn this line. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we was on here and well, but you can see where it come down. It almost touched. You know, and mine was the water, yeah, mine was, have I made some good trades? Yeah, well, you can see the green trades, but all these green lines, green trades. So I'm not doing anything. Uh, I've got my stops in place down. Got my stops down in place. I mean, I'm not dying. Um, am I making a lot of money? No, I'm not making. Made a little bit of money, but I've made about $1,000. Uh, I'm not working too far until tomorrow. But still, on a Sunday night, I mean, it's a good thing, you know what I mean? Have a little bit of money on a Sunday night. I'm looking at the BP over here. Um, 12,425 is not bad. If it rolls in the magical 20s, I'm hoping it's going to roll through. Um, just sit back here and watch it. I'm not a big YouTube fan. I'm a big stream of Harry. So if you're looking for a big streamer, I'm not your dude. Uh, it's you watch what I do. You want to have the picture. Um, I'm playing off numbers, looking for numbers. I think certain numbers are going to hit. That's what I'm doing. This thing on the bottom, two delta. No, it's not. Yeah, but that's why, yeah, brace is pull up into two there. And maybe in life, it's a good thing that's trade that you can draw. indicators come up, come up with a lot. And it may break down below on the bus where it made 800 and something knots. So I'm only down about 700. So sit here and wait until wait. You know, 23. I'm not ready. I'll sit back. still believe in my numbers here. Um, I don't like this. I don't like this line. But I still think it's going to come up through it, you know. Look at the volume over here on BP. I do the local tonight. And we can look at the, if everybody can see it. We can talk about the delta here, um, doing our uptrend and study uptrend, but it doesn't conform to the chart. So that makes me believe delta doesn't conform to the chart. It makes me leery. Um, hang on. Hang on just a minute. Let me talk to Vance for a minute. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, this delta doesn't conform to the chart because it's been on a study uptrend. We can see that here. And that's a good thing about cultivation in the indicator. Um, you know, not like that. Um, you know, it's like but yeah, I mean, these are futures. I'm trading. You can see NQ. This is 22. This is the range for um. Damn it, Ben! I just bought this damn thing. Okay, he's arguing with me, but I just bought this goddamn. I'm not buying it. Um, and he's bitching at me, but that's okay. Ben's my buddy. But you can see where these trades came from. I've got two contracts like see up here. I don't know. I got two contracts left. I was 8 deep. No, was I 8 deep? Yeah, I think it was 8 deep. Eight contracts deep. One, two, three. Yeah, I was about eight contracts deep. Um, and I got two left, but they haven't canceled that because I got, and that's because I'm kind of doing a reverse gap trade. And the reason I'm doing a like a, um, you're asking me to do things I don't know how to do things. Damn you. Here, is that better, Ben? Can you hear me better now? You want me to speak up? You want me to start yelling? You want me to start screaming? Damn it, Ben. Okay, there you go. Yeah, cancel out. They're all in green. So I think I've done my green. I'm looking at volume here, and I'm looking at the low, which is down here. This is the low. This is the low of the night. This is the high of the night. Okay? Do I think it's gonna run? No. Do I think it's gonna run low? Yeah, I think it's gonna. Do I think it's gonna run the high? Yeah, I think it's gonna run the high. Where are my targets? These are targets. These things here are targets. These are the two contracts I've got hanging out there, and everybody can see I've got two right here. I'm too deep, and I'm long. See how it's green? That means I'm long, and I'm down about 12. You know, this is my break even at 29 break even, and it's right at double knot. So I'm kind of getting a little worried here. I may just kill it and take the loss. And I'll be honest with you. Yeah, let me change the screen here. Change the screen. There we go. My gross P&L is 80. Um, and I'm down 1,200. So I'm down to 400. Watching them stacking and everything. This is the difference screen. But there's two different things here. When you look at the DOM, look at it two different ways. You look at it with the stacking and you look at the actual bid and this other chart here, for anybody that doesn't know and watching. This is the ES, which is the S&P 500. Let me get back to that. This is the S&P 500. And you can see the delta on it. And if anybody doesn't know what delta is, ask me. I'll be more than happy to explain delta. Uh, if I need to go through delta on this site, I'll be more than happy to. This is time and sales. When people talk about reading the tape, this is the tape. If you want to know how to read the tape, this is the tape. And reading the tape is nothing more than reading numbers. But we see this big 17, and that's ugly. That's ugly. That's 17. It was but yeah, I mean, I'd like to get y'all into futures and stuff. Now I'm always down about 800. So I'm breaking. I'm less than breaking. 900. Yeah, I'm close. Um, and that's for the night. And we can see here that my delta, my drawings still show up. My drawing, and that's a 45-degree. Um, that's a perfect 45-degree. Between this level and this level, that's a 45-degree angle without the degree. There's a reason for that, but we're not going to get into all of that. But yeah, I mean, these are futures. They start on Sunday at 6, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Futures open. Market opens. It starts moving. The market starts moving at 6 p.m. Eastern. There, we'll go back to. Let me expand this. Let me cycle that. As a matter of fact, You know, y'all see all these trucks. Sure you do. We'll go back to a 2 minute. And I'm not gonna explain these candles a lot right now. Go right here for the month. And it went all the way to here. This is a 2 minute chart. And it went all the way to here. Um, and then it, got many, you can see in that chart. There was. Um, and now it's set back down. And this down here is delta. It's just a different way to look at it. This is the ADS. Um, this is the pressure between buy and sell. Is the best way I can describe this. I don't use indicators a lot. I do use delta. I did. I use delta a lot. I did. I use delta a lot. But other indicators, I use two indicators pretty much. Um, I use delta and I use moving average convergence divergence, which is the MACD. If you don't know what those letters stand for, you haven't done enough research to be able to be a trader. We need to understand what MACD stands for, and it stands for moving average convergence divergence. That's important. You know, I can give you, a wise woman told me that I can't put fish on the plate, and I keep, and I want, and I don't want to. I'm not going to put the fish on your plate, but I will show you where to fish. I will show you how to fish. I will show you what to bait your hook with, but I won't put it on your plate. I can't make you take the plate. Y'all understand that? Does anybody understand? Am I just sitting here talking? I mean, what? Um, these are trend candles, but don't pay any attention to color. This is a custom indicator. Where if we've got pressure going down the candles, yeah, pressure going up the candles. Anyway, this is delta. This is just another way. And this is ADS. Um, and this is the pressure between the cells. Uh, this is an important indicator to have. These are different reference to. Uh, here's a different reference. Make sure you have this ADS bar. If you can fathom it. This line is this dotted line here is nothing but B. not paying attention to it. The yellow line camera, and frankly, new camera is often adaptive moving, uh, and of course the bowling. Bowling bands are very old uh, indicator, but they still do. They're very good. Bowling bands are very good things. When you see the candles on purple, it means it broke through the bowling band. And that's a different strategy of mine. I was more than happy to go through that if anybody wants to. But yeah, I mean, you can see green was red, what it, it's bearish at this point in time. Um, this is a very short time. This is a one. So we're not looking at a big time. This is not something I would I would get the fall. Um, we have bottom from chart, uh, bottom showing what I do, bottom showing um, don't want everybody. This is what we call the flat band. And these are just deviations from the left. That's what the lines are. Sorry. Um, but yeah, these are deviations. Um, and yeah, there's my settings on these three wet bands on this board. And that's all they're they're just deviations, whether 1.0, 2.0. Um, they're just they're just deviations. Um, there's no sense in these are levels, but they're short. They're not long. These are short term levels. When you want to start talking about deviations from the lab, they're short term levels. That's all deviation. If you don't understand that, all I can say is you reach out to me or find out. Uh, but you have to understand what deviation, but I don't know the different way to put it. That is one thing I'm sorry. Still the other. That means I'm still well, I've prayed on. I've lost everything. I've gained everything. everything under the sun. But the point is, I mean, I'm not here to teach you about me. I'm not here to teach you about you. I'm here to teach you about what you can do with that stuff. See, man, those down 3 grand now. They're only into conflict. All these other conflicts. I could exit the market range. So money. I I I kill every trade I got to sell me. I could, but I don't want to because I think it's going to run. Am I right? Fuck, I don't. Do I think I'm right? Of course I do. Do I have enough cushion to support um, whether I run the highs or not? Yes, I do. If I had just started this with 2,700 bucks, I started when I started counting. I'd be trading my and in micro, I'd be down. I'd be down $100 with two contracts. I'd be down 100. Um, micros, when I started trading, micros weren't there. They didn't have them, and they're a hell of a tool. They're great. If I ever swing trade across the weekend or something, I'm not swing trading. I'm swing trading. And if you don't know the difference between minis and micros, well, we need to talk. I need to teach you. You need to learn. This is different, damn it. And you need to understand that difference. If you don't understand the difference between minis and micros, that's like not understanding the difference between indexes and commodities. They trade different. You think I make as much money per point on an oil contract as I do on uh, a wheat contract? No, it's not the same. It's not the same thing. Futures are just as involved as stocks. The difference is the gap. The difference is what you make for holding that contract or what you lose for holding that contract. Um, I traded stocks for years and years. I got tired. I lost it. I did. Did I go back to it? Yeah, I went back to it after I was back on my feet. Sure. Do I trade them now? No. Do I use them as steady income revenue? Yeah, I do. But I don't trade a lot. I trade commodities and I trade the index. And I I'm a future trader. That's what I do. I'm sorry. Um, it's just what I am. If you don't like me, don't fucking follow me. Don't follow me. You know? Um, Ben is trying to get me on YouTube. He's a good dude. I'm trying to watch my mouth. Am I in butthole? Yeah, I'm a butthole. Am I mean? Yeah. Um, am I, you know, you can say anything you want to about me, but I am. Um, I'm not gonna argue about it. I'm not gonna rather hide myself. Like demonetize myself over there, but I'm not gonna blame but because I am me and you don't like me, you can kiss my really white butt and you know, um, sorry, man. It's 10:30 at night. Probably going to the shrine. Uh, I am, huh? But I'm going to tell what. How about that? Is that good enough? Is that good enough? Y'all just want to what? You see the money rolling right up there. There. Make sure y'all see the money rolling right up here. So it's either rolling in or rolling out. Um, and like I said, you can see I'm already 880 profit. So right now I'll be down about 200 plus fees and numbers. Look at the numbers. Okay. Um, I'm gonna get off of here for the night. I hope everybody had a good time, including you, Ben. You gonna speak up? I see you on here. Come on. Everybody's waiting, Ben. Ben ain't gonna talk. But yeah, I mean,
I've had a
this is
lovely
not
time. I've
rocket
enjoyed
science.
enjoyed
But
hearing you
yeah, I
go,
mean,
Josie.
look at
You've done
the
a
aviation
done an
sector.
amazing job.
The
Whoop.
dotted one here is the everything else is deviation away from the US.
Whoops.
Um, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're just not. You're not wrong. You don't believe. And out there. And it's why it's so which is actually 200 because of our made. Um, um, honestly, um, why? Because I think it's great. Is it going to? I don't know. Does it move? But I like that note. At 12,439. I don't like this number, but I like this. Um, and y'all can leave. Now, what likes me? I don't even know why I'm laughing. You know what? I'm gone.
Alright, so that was Josey Wales. We did a test run, spur of the moment, live stream. He is killing it with the NQ futures and the different contracts he takes. We'll work on his audio here going forward. It's probably on my side because I am streaming him from the Discord where he usually streams at. But no worries, we will get it all figured out. If you want to hear more from Josey, want to see more, be sure to hit that like button. And I'll be back tomorrow morning for a little stock market live stream to see what is happening. It's going to be a crazy day. We've got the Federal Reserve with announcements coming out. Everybody's talking about a 1-point rate hike. Some people are saying more, some people are saying less. If it is 1 point or more, I would say it's going to get pretty ugly in the market this week. Also, if you haven't heard, the monkeypox was declared a global health emergency by the World Health Organization, the WHO. So, stocks like SIGA, GOVX, pretty much all the ones that HH Trader was talking about a few weeks ago, those are on high watch this week as we look to see if people start to notice that going on. But that's it for this stream. You guys have a great rest of your night, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Appreciate everybody joining us as always. Stay safe out there.